Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. If you are new here, my name is Sam. In today's video, I wanted to share a haul with you guys. I recently got a lot of Halloween craft supplies, and you guys seem to really have been enjoying my craft videos, my planner videos, so I thought maybe I would share the haul with you. I think I'm going to break it up in at least 2 videos just because it'll be easier for me to edit, and if not, it would probably be like an hour-long video. Before we get started, if you guys want to get to know me a little bit more, follow me over on Instagram. It's at Halloween Happy. All my social media links are listed down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you have been enjoying the Halloween craft videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, turn on notifications if any of you want to join us when I do a video premiere. It's a new video plus the live chat, so we'll watch the video together, and then there's a live chat sidebar on the side, like a little chat room, and we all just talk, catch up for the week, catch up for the day. Let's go ahead and get into the haul. The big haul that I got is from eBay. I know I mentioned this before in my last video, which I never thought of checking eBay for craft supplies, but I had a friend who she gifted me all of these amazing Halloween stickers for my planner. I was so shocked, and she said she just got the lot off of eBay. So I'll do my best to tell you guys the company of these stickers. If I can, I will try to write the names in the description below. I thought the first part I would break it up into Halloween stickers, because who doesn't love Halloween stickers? I haven't really looked at a lot of them, so I'm excited to do that with you guys. I do have some of these collections in my craft stash already. First up, we have these stickers from Simple Stories. These I've actually gotten before. I love them so much. This is from Simple Stories. This is from the collection Spooky Night. Look at how adorable these are. You get 27 self-adhesive brads and 6 chipboard pieces, which are these ones down here. And one of my favorite things to work with, honestly, is brads. I feel like I just don't see it a lot. And you can also make your own brads if you're like super crafty and if you have the time to do that. But they're just so cute, and they all have the adhesive on the back, which is really nice. Super easy to work with. These chipboards, like actually this piece was in my planner of my last planner video, but yeah, they're just self-adhesive, so it's nice to work with. You can stack them, layer them. We have these puffy stickers. These are also from the Spooky Nights collection. These just took me back to being a kid. Squishy, and they're just so fun to use. Doesn't that just take you back to being a kid? Like, oh, my Halloween heart is so happy right now. I also have these in my collection still. These are chipboard stickers, and I really like these because although they are stickers, they're like super thick and they're made out of chipboard, so they're really gonna hold up. You can make so many things with this. Pretty sturdy. And just think of all the embellishments you can make with these. So cute. Like, I would probably add a little sticker ghost onto this, use this house, and then put this little sticker on the side. So cute. Sometimes I just don't like when projects look too flat. I like texture, I like layering, I like it to kind of come off the page. I also have these in my collection. Get 2 pages with these. These are foam stickers, and you get a total of 40 stickers with these. These are foam. I just look for things that are easy for me to use. Some phrases, some stars, some little candy corn. Super cute. This is a new collection to me. This is another set of the decorative brads, and this is from the collection Harvest Market. 27 brads and then 5 chipboard pieces, and I just thought this collection was so adorable. I kind of tend to skip over autumn collections and fall just because sometimes it's a little too like country bumpkin, if that makes sense. Like, you can add these on photos, you can add them on gift tags, but these chipboards down here, I actually really am obsessed with. Look at this one down here. I love that. So moving along, the next stickers that I'm gonna share with you. Oh, hold on, we have another pack from Simple Stories. This is from the collection Simple Vintage October 31st. You get 48 stickers, and I think it's probably the same. Oh no, it's different. Okay, so that's nice. I'm already seeing some really cute ones that I know I will gravitate towards. Kind of a good mix, vintage Halloween. I just love everything in this collection, really. Like, I like this little clipboard one that says "In the Moonlight." I love horror movies. I love movies. I love going to watch movies. I like collecting movie tickets. Obsessed with these little movie tickets. This one says "The Season to Be Spooky," and then this one down here says "Happy Halloween." These little images of the little clipboards are just so cute, where it has like the little clip and then the note, and this just says "Best Costume Ever." These all come from Doodlebug Design. They're pretty popular. Just another example of how I build my craft collection is I will get things that are very basic but work in the lines of Halloween and fall and whatnot. These are cardstock stickers, but I like using these to layer, also using them as frames. You could add this on ribbon to make it stick out. You can add like little jewels on each of these little spaces. Look at how cute these are. I actually haven't looked at these and I'm already obsessed. They just remind me of elementary school. They remind me of, like, remember the magazine Highlight? Highlights was such a great magazine. I think they still make it, but my grandparents they bought me a subscription of it. I loved the Halloween issues and like the fall ones, and then they also did some really cool Christmas ones. The color palette to these is so adorable, so innocent. I absolutely love the embossed glitter. I don't even know if you guys can see. I feel like the camera's not picking it up. I really do like this green. These would be fun for spring. These ones are at least from 2021. These ones don't have a date. These are very cutesy, as you can see. A lot of pink, a lot of purple. So you get two different sheets in these. This collection is called Monster Madness. Look how cute this little truck is, a little monster truck. Oh my goodness. So adorable. I would say these are perfect, like little planner stickers. The little cupcakes with this little confetti. Has like this little pumpkin topper. These are really sweet. Look at the little monsters on the bed. I've had the candy corn before, and then also these little enamel dots, which I like working with. You know what? That'd actually be a good video of like how to build your Halloween craft collection, tips on that. Let me know if that's something you want to see. So our little candy corn. Look at how sweet these are. These are like just the little perfect touch to add to photos, to scrapbooks. They all have different little faces, but they're not too thick, as you can see, and they kind of have like a little bevel. Kind of bevel a little bit, so it's not going to lay super flat. Same stickers, but they are tiny. Whereas you can see these ones are a little bit larger. Enamel dots, this one is the tangerine assortment. And then these ones I'm obsessed with. I love working with stars. Oh my goodness, you guys, my camera literally just fell on my face, and I wouldn't be surprised if I get a black eye. The whole like lens right in the eye. Just little star stickers, and they also have a little bit of bevel to them. Pumpkins, and then you do get a few little tiny dots in there. And these also have like the same texture to them. These are little enamel charms. These are from Prisma. Thought they'd be perfect for my planner. You can actually use these for anything. Cute little pumpkin charms, so adorable. Buttons galore and more. And I always like working with buttons because they're just really easy. You can find a lot of cute ones too. If you guys are Christmas crafters, they also have a lot of cute Christmas buttons as well. Scrapbook Customs. Not much to these. These ones are really fun. You get Candy Squad, Best Trunk Decorations, and then this little Halloween sucker over here. Love that. That would be great for like a little scrapbook layout if you do trunk or treat. These pumpkin seeds are so cute. I think what I would do is I would probably add like a little jack-o'-lantern face on them, or maybe some orange glitter to kind of outline them. Little pumpkins on a little stand, and you're starting to carve the pieces. Be great for like a little memory journaling. More little enamel stickers. Pretty much the same thing as the Doodlebug stickers that I shared with you. This company is Boulevard. I love the potion bottles. The little clouds, the stars, the little asterisks, just everything on this sheet is perfect. These are also puffy stickers, as you can see. Let me take them out to see what kind of finish they have. Oh, I like these because they kind of have a matte finish on them. This little color palette would be great for like winter, for Halloween and whatnot. That glam Halloween. Obsessed with these little pumpkins. Look at how cute those are, and just like the detail in them. So cute. Last sticker sheet, Fancy Pants Designs. Remind me of like autumn core, like just the good like cozy autumn cottage vibes. They're also puffy stickers, but I will say they're not as puffy as the ones I shared with you earlier. Focus, there we go. Like, doesn't that just give you all the autumn vibes? Look at this little moon down here. I love this little skeleton witch, and just the color palette to this is just so cozy. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Well, that sums it up for my Halloween sticker and charm haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want, follow me on Instagram. It's at Halloween Happy. Soon we'll be getting into the 100 days of Halloween Happy. It'll be here before we know it, so be sure you're following over there so that way you stay in the loop with that. I love you guys so much. Take care. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!